All right, guys, so I'm here at Easy Parts Upullit. It's in New Ringgold, PA. It's kind of a bit of a drive, but the place looks pretty legit. Holy crap. There's a lot of stuff here. So they have a GM section, Chrysler, Ford, foreign. I mean, this place is huge. And it's in the middle of nowhere. Like literally you're in a country road. If you turn in, you're gonna miss it. If you don't turn in, you're gonna miss it and keep going. But you can see they have a lot of buses, trucks, campers. I mean, this shit just keeps on going. So I'm gonna try and find the classic GM area. I'll be back.